Look for this switch on the side of your seat. Simply slide it forward or backward, and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. If so equipped, the Power Lumbar Support feature provides lower back support to the driver. Use this switch to adjust the seat lumbar support. To fold the second row seats flat, stow the second row seat belts in the seat belt hooks. Then, pull this latch or this lever located in the cargo area, if so equipped, and fold the seat back flat. To return the second row seats to an upright position, push up on the seat back until it latches in place. If you have removed or adjusted the headrest or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.